Cheers! Thank you!
Oxy. Ayun. There is Osti. So when you go, you have to be very careful. You have to buy. Kura mo rin ang abante. Nag-ano kami? Abante ang kura. Oopsies. So, andito kami mga kalabs. Maghugas kami ng aming car. Ayan po. So, ito. Ang... there is a number. But if even there is a number, how you can... You just need to look like you go out in the like maybe you go to the right instead. So, nag-ano kami mga kalabs kasi mahirapan siguro kami lumabas dahil mayroon siyang ice sa labas. Nag-ano sa tire. So, ayan, nakakover yung ulo ko kasi nga, di ba, may flu pa ako. So, dito kami sa loob ng car. Nag-ano kami, hugas kami ng car. Alam nyo ba kasi bakit gabi kami naghugas? So, isa dyan is, walang gaanong clients. No much clients. And then pangalawa is half price siya. So andi dito kami ngayong dalawa. Si Vincent nasa bahay. So after 9 half price ang washing ng car. Ayan. So kaya namin pinili ito kasi instead of 30 euro, 15 euro lang ang bayaran mo. So nakasave ka talaga. Ha? Ano so mo rin? Sa lavando. We don't know the I think it's broken. it's washing. Wait. Oh, ayan. Ayan na. Just wait. He is washing the car. So be patient. So parang mga 12 minutes ang time ng washing ng car. So pag depende din kung talagang yung pinakamahal, siguro abutin ka ng mga 16 minutes. Pero ito mga 15 minutes lang, ayan. So hindi na natin maririnig yung ating voice dahil ayan na yung machine nag-aano. Ayan, nakikita niya. Saan ba siya? Hindi na natin alam kung saan yung machine. Andun. Oh, di ba? Ayan. Oh, ang galing ng tagahugas namin ano. So, galing talaga ng car wash kasi talagang naaano nila yung size ng car. Mayroon silang automatic ano, yung tawag nitong so ayan ganyan. Yan na. Ayan, tumayo na siya. Oh, dito na parating na si ating brush. Pero silicone yan. Yung brush na yan ay silicone. Ayan. So, parating na siya. O, diba mga kalab? So, maano lang tayo, mag-discard lang tayo. Parang makasave tayo, diba? Kasi holiday naman kami, kaya okay lang kaming magising ng late. 9 pa naman din. Kaya, siguro pagdating namin sa bahay, manood pa kami ng movie. Ayan, manonood siguro kami ng movie pagdating sa bahay. Ayan, ayan. O, tingnan nyo, ang cute. Ayan. O, diba? Super cute siya. Ayan. So, yung matatakot ka na, natakot ka pa. O, see? So, ito pala yung
The next day.
na gift sa IKEA. So, meron kami yung calendar gift. So, ito yung nakuha natin. So, tawag nitong na natin. Tawag nito? Ano may tawag? Gawin na natin. So, buksan natin. Patulong tayo sa ating husband. Ayan. So, nandito na si David. Anuhin na natin ito. So, ito pala yun. Free ito. So, worth of 100 euro ito ang nakuha natin na napakaswerte ko talaga. Every year na lang ako. So, swertihan lang talaga. Pero every year talaga ako mayroong nakukuhang gift. So, ayay. So, ito yun siya. Ang gift, paano ba? Paano ba tayo umupo? Ayan.
Mm.
Yan. So, should be easy to build. Should be easy to build. But who knows how easy. So, ito yung
There
mga,
are instructions, I think.
yeah, I know. This is like this.
Only
So,
10.
only 10 instructions. So,
But
first,
do we need the rubbery?
I don't know. So, first, you
I think
take
so,
off.
because there are these. I will take rubbery as well.
Do you pass? Yes.
I pass
So,
already.
ayan mga kalabs. So, super excited tayo dahil ito yung ating ano kaya ito? Simpleng ano ito
So,
pero
number 1.
alam niyo 100 euro talaga ito. What is number 1? This is the number 1. Ayan.
Oh, wow. Wow. This later.
Later. Ayan.
So, number 1.
Number
1 needs to take this round.
round. This round. Maybe
Some
this.
round.
This.
Yes, some round. Then I need these 3. 1, 2, 3. And then I need some ruby.
Ayan. So, installing is the right? Installing the IKEA lamp free gift. Yan. Ayan. So, ayan mga kalabs.
Where are the ruby?
Sa ano kasi namin, sa IKEA, every Christmas talaga, mayroon niyang tinatawag na calendar winner. So, number 6, yung day 6, yun, nanalo ako nito.
So, I need this.
So, you need 3 ruby.
This.
There are only 2.
There is not much.
3. Yes, 3. So, yun, nanalo ako nito. So, sabi nila, grabe, yung pinakamahal na gift ang napanalunan ko. So, napakaswerte ko talaga na nanalo ako nito. So, kailangan ko na ang tulong ni David dito dahil syempre hindi ko alam kung paano mag mga kalabs. Ayan. So, grabe talaga ang aming sa IKEA, yung may nananalo ka. And then, meron din akong nakuhang gift nung nag 5 years ako. Nag 5 years ako, nakakuha ako ng 150 euro. Yan. So, maganda talaga ang here ng IKEA. So, mga nila, yung para sa mga worker. Ayan. At ito ang sabi nila, ang ganda daw talaga nitong light na ito, sabi nila, ganun. So, napakaswerte tayo na yan. So, i-build lang natin to mga kalabs. At, buti na lang at tinulungan ako nitong isa. Kasi, kailangan talaga itong i-build. Nakuha ko ito December pa ngayon, January na. February na nga tayo ngayon, mga kalabs. At hindi pa natin na tawag nito na build. So, I have to hold.
Where is the?
Yeah.
You don't need to hold.
I don't need to hold. Okay. So, it's easy. I could do it, I think. Also.
It's very easy.
So, IKEA, it's easy to build. Sabi ni David. It's easy to build daw ang IKEA. So, ginamit pala namin itong aming microphone. Meron kasi kami microphone yung inano ni David niregalo niya sa akin sa Christmas. So, ngayon, ginamit namin. Sana working. Sana working itong natin. Yung, So, now, this,
okay.
no.
Number 2.
Number 2,
we turn this.
Turn.
Ayan. Oh, sorry. We turn
okay.
And then, we put this. But, so, I don't know.
Depends how long you
How
want.
long you want to see. For example, like this. I don't know. Well, we try.
Yes.
We try.
Ayan. Ang ano lang kasi
So this is
dito,
done, and then should be a ruby. Huh?
that is the ruby what you made.
I know, but
There is like this.
what about this?
There is this. That is what you turn already.
Ah, questo, 2. It's this one.
Mm.
And then 3.
That one.
Maybe there is a hole. I
There is
haven't
no
seen.
hole. There is no hole. That is the one that it's...
So what is this?
There is no another ruby. That is the one.
Vabbè.
Akito duro test.
Perché c'è 2 e 3. Capito?
Quando ha finito, capito? Non c'è posto di mettere.
Vabbè, non lo so. Così. Poi ci vogliono quelli. Ma si vede qua?
Non lo so, che sei andato... Uy,
So we are here in this.
look at the break.
Uy.
This is what you...
So this is. Wow, the wire is very nice.
Very long.
Very.
And
then this we put here,
this
and
is...
then we put
But
this.
what is this small? So, ayan mga kalabs. O, diba? Maganda siya. Hindi ko alam kung makikita nyo lahat, pero maganda siya. So, ayan. Ilalagay natin siya dyan.
Is it this, and then
It says.
see, it shows.
May basta. Because you don't know where to put also.
Okay.
Ayan, ready na. But I think that you don't see really that. Because needs to... Ayan, so ready na siya. Dito yung wire. Tapos meron siyang lagayan dito. So, dito mo siya i-roll kung hanggang kailan, hanggang ano yung haba, kung saan mo siya isasaksak. Ayan. The problem is that we don't have light. Kailangan ng light.
You don't have light?
Ka na. Yung tinamaan ni Davide, natanggal yung ano. Continua mo rin.
Okay, 5. Now it's this. So it's like this. And then we need to put so this is like here, and this is like here. You need to help Aqua.
And then you roll. And then you click. Roll. And then click. Yan lang yan siya. Napaka-easy. And then click. Click. O, diba? O, easy lang siya. Yan. And then at the end, you put this. Yan.
Can you You have to put the white. No. In a good way.
It's not a good way because this is loose. Okay. Yeah, tadam!
Ta-da!
So, ayan na yung light natin. Dirty na. It's dirty. And then, I don't know this. For what is this? There's this small.
Quello che... So now we should put... there is another part. This one. Where is the part? It's already there? Oh.
There's no another part. I don't see any part on this somewhere. So, ayan, nakita na namin yung, yung light. So, it's very, ito yung light. Meron kaming light. Buti na lang. So, ayan, ang haba. Mas mahaba pa sa akin. Pwede pa siyang habaan din kung gusto. Okay. So, now, here is, more near. Tadam!
There is also the...
Huh?
There is that also. Okay, good.
So, you will turn off. So, maybe it needs to put more down. Ayan. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda ng ating light. So, thank you for watching.
But